Hi, welcome to Let's Unbound. This is Pallavi. In this video, we will solve the FRQ section of AP Computer Science A paper 2022. Before we start with FRQs, let us first discuss the pattern of this AP Computer Science A paper. Well, this paper consists of 40 MCQs and 4 free response questions. In MCQs, you are given some options out of which you have to select the correct one. While in FRQs, you are required to write the code that fulfills the requirement mentioned in the question. So let us now look into our first FRQ. In this question, the basic structure of the code for a game is given. Let us first try to understand this game. This game consists of 3 levels, level 1, level 2, and level 3. In addition to these levels, there is one bonus game. So let's see what the code is given. This has a class level. Okay, let me pick up my marker. Okay, so it has a class level which has 2 methods, goal reached and get points. So the functionality or the purpose of these methods, I'll explain you in next few minutes. Now, after this, we have another class called as game class, which has 3 instance variables, private instance variable, level 1, level 2, level 3. All these 3 instance variables are of type class level. Now, we are given a constructor, is bonus method, play method, get score method, and finally, play many times method. As I told you, the purpose I'll tell you in next few minutes. Before that, we will try to understand what is the way the score or the points are evaluated for a particular player. So there are certain rules that we have to keep in mind. First, level 1 points are earned only if level 1 goal is reached. Similarly, level 2 points are earned only if both the level 1 and level 2 goals are reached. And the same way, level 3 points are earned only if goals of all the 3 levels are reached. In addition to this, we have a bonus game, I already told you. So if the goal of this bonus game is reached, the scores, whatever we have scored so far, will be tripled up. So we have to keep these rules in mind. Okay. All right. So let's take one example. A huge table is given just to understand the scoring concept. So if level 1 is reached, goal is reached, true. Level 2 is reached, true. Level 3 is reached, true. For level 1, 200 points are given, level 2, 100, level 3, 500. Adding all these points and multiplying by 3. Why? Because bonus game is also reached. I mean, goal is reached, correct? So what is done? 200 plus 100 plus 500 multiplied by 3, which becomes 2400. So the same way, look at this. If level 1 is reached, 200 points earned. Level 2 is reached, 100 points is earned. So 200 plus 100 is 300, correct? Now, level 3 is not reached, false. So these points are basically not added, right? Just give me a minute. Something went wrong. Okay, let me clear all the drawings. All right. So see, look at this. Where are the rules? Okay, there we go. See? So these 500 points are not added because the goal of level 3 is not reached. And same way, we haven't multiplied by 3 because the goal for bonus game is not reached. Okay. Now, let us try to understand what are we expected to do. Okay, what we have to do. Well, this question is divided into 2 parts. Question A, part A and part B. We have to provide the solution for both of them. In part A, we have to write the implementation of get score method. Let me change my marker. Okay, so we have to implement get score method. keeping all these rules in mind. Okay. So let's go here and we will first try to summarize the question. So in this question, what is the structure of the code given to us? It has two classes, class level and class game. Class level has two methods in it, goal reached. So this goal reached method is used to check whether the goal of that particular level is checked or reached or no. Okay. Now, get points method is used to check or used to calculate, not to calculate exactly, but used to fetch the total number of points that the player can earn after completing that particular level. Next, we have class game. In this class game, we have three instance variables, all of type level. Now, game is a constructor. Is bonus is a method which is used to check whether it is a bonus game or no. It will return true if it is a bonus game, otherwise false. Next, we have a play game which simulates the play of a game. And then get score method is used to calculate how many points the player has earned. Okay. Finally, we have play many times method, which is used to check how many times the game has been played. Okay. Now, let's try to write down the implementation. Here, we will first look into the part A of it. Part B, we will discuss after solving the part A. So let's look into the solution of part A. What is it? We have to implement get score method. Okay. So I have taken a variable score whose value is initially 0. And then another Boolean variable is bonus game, which will keep a track whether it is a bonus game or no. So I have used this is bonus method to fetch whether it is a bonus game or no. Now we have to take care of all the rules. See, as told or as described in the rule, if level 1 goal is reached, then what you'll do? We will add level 1 points into score. Similarly, if goal is reached for level 2, we will add up level 2 points in score. So to get the points, we are using get points method that we discussed about, right? Okay, and the same way, if the goal for level 3 is reached, we will add the points of level 3 in the score. And if it is a bonus game, we'll have to multiply it by 3. So whatever the score is, finally, we will return it back. So this score variable will have the number of points that the player has earned. Okay.